Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today we're going to go through Module 7 of Affiliate slash Online Marketing for Beginners. That's Module 7, that's Analyzing and Optimizing Your Performance. You can obtain all these 8 modules of this videos right here at freedomlifebusiness.com for absolutely free, no charge. That's freedomlifebusiness.com. So, anyways, let's dig right into it, shall we? So, number 1, tools for tracking affiliate sales. All right, the first one, affiliate dashboards. Many affiliates program offer built-in analytics dashboards to monitor your sales, clicks, and commission in real time. So most of your affiliate partners will offer you all that pre-made, pre-done. You could pretty much track your sales and how much money you're making. All right. So analytics platform. Use tools that can integrate with your website to track visitor actions, such as which affiliate links they clicked and whether they made a purchase. All right. That's pretty cut dry. That's pretty easy to figure out what it is. All right. So UTM, that's Urchin Tracking Module. That is a simple code that can be attached to any URL to generate Google Analytics data for digital campaigns. All right. By adding UTM tags to your affiliate links, you can get detailed tracking information in your analytics tools about the sources of your traffic and which campaigns performs the best. All right? So let's move on to section 2, which is evaluating traffic sources and conversion rates. All right? That's pretty important to figure out so that way you're not just doing random things all over the internet and wasting your time and money if you're using paid traffic. All right? So, traffic sources. Determine which channels, e.g., organic search, social media, email marketing, drive the most visitors to your content. You gotta have to figure that out and narrow it down so that way you narrow it down to whichever works out the best for you, so you're not wasting any time and money in the case you're using pay per clicks. Okay, so conversion rates. Calculate the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, like clicking on an affiliate link or making a purchase. All right, that's pretty cut dry, and that's your basic analytics. So, high performing content. Identify which pieces of content or specific topics generates the highest conversion to focus on creating similar content in the future. All right, so just like we were talking about here earlier, figure out which one works out the best for you and stick with it because that's what's going to make you the most successful. All right, so number 3, A/B testing for content and sales strategies. Content variations. Test different headlines, images, or call to action phrases to see which ones resonates the most with your audience. Very important right here to remember. Sales strategy variations. Experiment with different promotional strategies such as discount codes versus bonus offers to understand which is the most appealing to your audience. That way you can narrow down what strategies you're going to use going onward. All right? So, testing tools. Use online platforms that allow you to serve different content variations to different segments of your audience and track which performs better. All right? So let's move on to section 4. Continuous learning. Always stay on top of your industry. Staying updated with affiliate trends, industry news. Regularly read industry specific news to stay informed about changes in affiliate marketing strategies and technologies. Courses and webinars. Engage in online courses, workshops, or webinars that focus on advanced affiliate marketing techniques. All right. Some companies out there will offer internal advanced techniques as the time goes along. They'll keep up with the times. It depends on which company you're dealing with. Okay. So, networking. Connect with other affiliate marketers, join online forums or groups, and attend industry conferences to exchange knowledge and experiences. Again, it depends on what company you're dealing with. Some companies out there are more than willing to create groups, kind of like in class, to keep up with the times and see what's going on and see what works the best. So it depends on which company you're dealing with. Okay, so let's move on. So the core of this module emphasizes the significance of data driven decision making in affiliate marketing, okay? By continually monitoring, analyzing, and adjusting based on performance data, affiliate marketers can refine their strategies for better results over time, all right? It's all kind of, you got to test the waters with different marketing strategies, all right? You can pick up all these 8 modules of this tutorial of affiliate marketing slash online marketing for absolutely free at freedomlifebusiness.com, or you can go in the description below and click on the link. I will see you in module 8.